Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a 3.5-inch hard drive, also known as an HDD, into your system. This is a great option if you need a ton of storage for games, photos, videos, or backups. Before we begin, make sure you have a 3.5-inch hard drive, a SATA cable, and a SATA power cable from your power supply. You also maybe need a Phillips head screwdriver, either a number 1 or a number 2, depending on your case. If your hard drive didn't come with a SATA cable, check your motherboard box. There's usually one inside. And if there isn't, just order one online. They're super cheap. Now let's go ahead and mount the hard drive into the case. Most modern cases have a dedicated drive cage or removable trays near the power supply area. If your case uses trays, just pull one out, place the hard drive in it so the connectors face the back and snap into place. If your case doesn't have trays, slide the hard drive into an empty bay and secure it with 4 screws, 2 on each side. Next, let's plug everything in. Start by connecting your SATA data cable to the drive. It has an L-shaped connector, so it only fits that one way. If it doesn't fit in, don't smash it in, you might break a cable. Then you're going to want to go ahead and connect the other end of that SATA cable into your motherboard. If you can't locate the one in your motherboard, look underneath the graphics cards, usually at the bottom or on the side of your motherboard. Now take the SATA power cable from your power supply and plug it into the hard drive. It also has an L-shaped design, so it should slide in easily and only that one way. Once both cables are connected, your hard drive is installed. The next step is we're going to have to format your drive. Close up your case, turn on your PC, and boot into Windows. If you don't see your new drive right away, that's normal. It just needs to be formatted. Press the Windows key and type in Format. Click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. You'll see your new SSD listed as an unallocated space. Right-click the black portion of the bar and select New Simple Volume. Click Next a few times, choose a drive letter like D, E, whatever you want, and format it as NTFS. After that, your SSD will appear under this PC, and now it's ready for use. And that's it. You've just installed and set up your new hard drive. This is one of the easiest ways to expand your storage for large files, games, or media projects. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out some of our other videos on installing SSDs, NVMEs, and so much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.